Good morning. Um, Today I am discussing about the understanding harmony in nature, which is the topic of human values and ethics. First of all, we should know about the nature. So, what is nature? Nature is basically collection of all the units. So units can be of two types, very small units or very large units. So small units we can say atoms or molecules, and large unit we can say like earth, moon, sun. So these are all the units: air, water, tree around us, soil, animal body, human body, birds, all are the units. So each units having a definite volume, definite shape, definite capacity. So all these units, so collection of these units basically, that is called nature. We know that collection of units is called nature, and all the unit can be categorized into four orders. Number one is the physical order, second bio order, third animal order, and fourth is the human order. So in the physical order, the soil, metal, air, water included in the physical order. Bio order, all the plants, trees, shrubs, all are included into the bio order. Animal orders include animals and birds. In the human order, human beings included. So what is the relationship of mutual fulfillment? So between the, if I can if we see this diagram in this PPT. So the between the physical order and the bio order, there is a interconnectedness, there is a interdependent. So what it is? So basically here we can say the mutual fulfillment. So this cycle is so this process is a cyclic, and every unit will be enriched. So that enrichment is called mutual fulfillment. अगर हम यहाँ पे एग्जाम्पल लें फिज़िकल ऑर्डर की और बायो ऑर्डर की, वी नो दैट फिज़िकल ऑर्डर में हम इंक्लूड करते हैं सॉइल, एयर, वाटर. बायो ऑर्डर में हम इंक्लूड करते हैं प्लांट्स, ट्रीज़. सो अगर हम इसमें देखें कि जो फिज़िकल ऑर्डर है उसमें जो सॉइल है, एयर है, वाटर है, थ्रू द एयर, वाटर और इन द सॉइल जो सीड्स हैं वो जर्मिनेट करते हैं. जर्मिनेट होने के बाद वो प्लांट बनते हैं. ठीक है, वाटर मिलता है उनको, उसकी वजह से वो जो है वो प्लांट बने, है ना. फाइनली प्लांट जो है या ट्री जो है उसके जो लीव्स हैं, जो फ्रूट्स हैं, है ना, वो क्या करेंगे, उनके जो फ्लावर्स हैं वो फाइनली कहाँ पे आएंगे, दैट विल फॉल ऑन द ग्राउंड. जैसे ही वो ग्राउंड के ऊपर फॉल करेंगे, फाइनली दे विल डीजनरेट एंड बैक कन्वर्टेड टू द सॉइल, एंड सॉइल विल बिकम मोर फर्टाइल. सो we can say the physical order is dependent on the bio order, and bio order is interconnected. So both these orders are interconnected. So physical order is connected to the bio order, and bio order ultimately connected to the physical order. So here we can say that the mutual fulfillment means relatedness or plus fulfillment. So there is the mutually enrichment कि अगर सॉइल जो है उसने प्लांट को सीड जर्मिनेट किया, फाइनली प्लांट बना. सो प्लांट के जो लीव्स हैं, फ्लावर्स हैं, वो जैसे ही सॉइल के ऊपर गिर रहे हैं और फाइनली उस पर डीजनरेट हुए और फाइनली वो उसको फर्टाइल कर रहे हैं, इट विल बिकम मोर फर्टाइल. सो देयर इज़ अ म्यूचुअल एनरिचमेंट. Next, here we can see in this picture by adding the animal order. So by adding the animal order, here we can see this picture is between the physical order, bio order and animal order. So here is also interconnectedness and interdependent. So mutual fulfillment here, the process is cyclic and every unit of this cycle will be enriched. We know that in this animal order, if we see soil, metal, soil, air, water enriching the plant and trees enriching the soil, and soil will become more fertile, as we discussed already in the previous slide. Here in the animal order, we can see here, for the survivance of the animal or birds, the water, air also needed. For the animals or birds, plants are also needed for their survivals. And the dung or the dead bodies of the animals or birds are helpful to become the soil become more fertile, or here we can say for the growth of the plants or trees, the dung and the dead bodies of the animals and birds also very helpful, very useful for the bio order. So here we can see the process is cyclic and every unit is enriched. In this slide, if we see, there is human order is added now. So there is a physical order, bio order, animal order and human order. So for the survival of the human, air is needed, water is needed in the physical order. Here we see in the bio order we need fruits, we need vegetables. In the animal order we want milk, we want wool. So what we are giving, where is a mutual fulfillment by the human order? So if we see about our natural acceptance, we want to fulfill. So human beings have natural acceptance to be mutually fulfilling, but there is right understanding is needed. So without right understanding, there will be no mutual fulfillment, there will be no mutual enrichment by the human order. Once human being understand, they can be fulfilling for all the four orders like physical order, bio order, animal order and for human order also. So what is the present scenario? The present day problems are largely due to the lack of understanding. So there is a resource depletion, there is a pollution. So the resource depletion mean if there is we are